All right, we're here at Westfield San Francisco Center. And over here we got some Otis elevators. Are you going up or going down?
Down.
All right.
Thank you.
Anytime.
Contour, that's what this is.
Have a good day. Awesome. I love these buttons. Wow. I've never seen an Otis with these buttons. Ooh, look at that fornicator. This is awesome. Alright, we're gonna go down to the concourse. Going down?
Yeah, bro.
What floor?
One floor down. No, one floor down. Moving on. Third.
Oh, third floor?
Third.
Third? Sorry, my bad. There you go.
Cool.
Have a good day. This is a big elevator. Again, I love these buttons. These look like innovation. Square Innovation Decorator. Or Premier. These are Square Innovation Premier buttons. And the door close button works. I really love that. We'll take it for one more ride watching that Flornicator and the upper Flornicator at the same time. What for? Alright, here we go. I don't know if these are Gen 2s or not. This is one of the biggest elevator I've ever ridden for an Otis Series 4. What floor? What floor are you going? Concourse? Have a good day. That was one awesome elevator. I love those innovation buttons on the inside. There it goes. And that's it.